everyone and welcome to Coin Global. Today we will talk about the pre-sale of Dexalot. We will get into the details of Dexalot and the pre-sale platform Avalaunch in this video. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get informed about every new opportunity directly. Also, you can click on the links below our video to get the news instantly. Remember, crypto doesn't sleep. You gotta be fast. Now let's get started. Before we start, I want you to remember that when you want to use decentralized platforms on any blockchain, you need a decentralized crypto wallet. You can use Metamask browser extension while using most of the blockchain networks, and Avalaunch is one of them. If you don't have a Metamask wallet, don't make it a problem. Just click on the link below our video, and this way you can easily learn how to set up your own Metamask wallet. Then you need to set up Avalaunch network to your Metamask wallet. In that video, we showed you how to set up different networks to your Metamask wallet. Just like that, you will need to write the information to your Metamask, which is given below. When you finish those, your Metamask will be set and you will be ready to use the Avalaunch network. Let's start with Dexalot. Dexalot is an easy to use, fast and cheap decentralized trading platform which is built on Avalaunch network. Avalaunch network is one of the fastest, cheapest and high technology blockchain in the world, so we are in the good hands while using it. When you scroll down the page, you can find Dexalot's light paper and frequently asked questions right here. Lastly, at the bottom of the page, you can find Dexalot's every social media account and also the articles about Dexalot right here. While the topic is the social media accounts of Dexalot, let's dive into its Twitter account. We can see that Dexalot has 65,000 followers right now, and when we look at its post, we can say that the community of Dexalot really supports the project. Also, Dexalot is informing and helping its community well, as we can see from those posts. Those qualifications are a must for a crypto project, so that's a plus for Dexalot. Let's get back to the main page and look at the top right of our screen. We can see the governance section right here. When we click on that, we can see that governance is not implemented yet, but it's coming on the second quarter of this year. This is really good news because in a decentralized ecosystem, community should be able to vote when a decision is going to be taken, and Dexalot will give that chance to us. And lastly, let's look at the exchange itself and test it a little bit. When you click on the Launch App button, the exchange will open itself. When we get into the exchange, we can see that there is only two pairs right now, Avex USDC and Avex USDT. Avex is the main coin of Avalaunch ecosystem, so it has to be open for trading every time. Don't forget that Dexalot is a new platform. This means new trading pairs are coming soon. Also, Allocations token, which is Dexalot's governance token, is coming shortly. We are going to register for its pre-sale in this video too. Let's start using the exchange. At first, we need to connect our Metamask wallet to the platform. At the top right of our screen, we can see the Connect Metamask button. Just click on it and allow the notification which came from your Metamask browser extension. Now your wallet is connected to the Dexalot. After connecting your wallet, you need to select the pair which you want to trade. For example, I want to trade the second pair, which is Avex USDT. I will click on the trade button and go to trading screen. As you can see, the trading screen looks just like centralized exchanges like Binance. We need to click on deposit button to deposit the currency which we want to trade to the Dexalot. After we are done trading, we can withdraw our assets from Dexalot in the same way. When we click on the deposit button, you can see I clicked on the deposit Avex button. I can choose how many Avex I want to deposit to the Dexalot. Let's say I want to deposit 1 Avex. When I write here 1, the exchange itself will tell me the network fee which I will pay when I'm trying to deposit my crypto here. When I'm done here, I will click on the deposit again and finish my transaction. Also, there's a withdraw button right here. When I click on the withdraw, I can click on the maximum button to withdraw my assets to my Metamask wallet. Or for example, I have 10 Avex here. I can withdraw only 5 of them to my crypto wallet. You can see the order book at the left side. Graphic is at the center of our screen. At the bottom of our screen, we can see the order panel. There is a limit and market orders which we can use, but market orders are not available yet. It will be developed and it's also coming soon. And the last part, at the right side of our screen, there is the trade history. We can see all the trades has been made right here. If you don't know what is limit and market orders, please click on the link below our video and watch our Binance Exchange tutorial. In that video, we talked about every detail of those orders. And for the last part, let's check the analytics page of Dexalot. In the analytics page, we can see the total daily volumes of Dexalot. Also, we can see top tokens, top trade pairs. I believe this page will be much bigger when Dexalot continues to grow. And now it's time for the pre-sale of Dexalot's governance token, which is a lot token. We will register for that sale from the Avalaunch platform. Avalaunch is one of the best launchpads on Avalaunch network. From Avalaunch, you can register for the pre-sales of tokens which operates on Avalaunch network. Let's get to the Dexalot's pre-sale then. First of all, you need to complete your QIC, which is Know Your Customer. Basically an identity verification which is needed to prevent multi-account usages of a person and some other regulations. You need to click on the human image at the top right of our screen, then click on the QIC verification button. In my account, I see this message, but if you haven't done your QIC yet, there will be a program which tells you what to do with the most easy and basic way. So there is no need to worry about that part. When you are successfully completed the program, your verification will be done. If it's not done in a short time, you can easily contact the Avalaunch's customer services and get it done in really short time. I had a small problem when I tried to make my identity verification, but they have solved it in 5 minutes, guys. So there's no problem about that. Let's come to the second part, AVA staking. AVA is the governance token of Avalaunch. You have to stake AVA to the Avalaunch in order to get an allocation for the pre-sales according to your proportion. To make that, we need Avex in our Metamask wallets. You can send Avex to your Metamask from most of the exchanges. I will give you an example from Binance right now. If you don't know how to use Binance or if you don't have a Binance account, make sure you watch the Binance tutorial video in our channel. You can find its link just below our video. Now let's talk about how to withdraw our Avex to the Metamask wallet. After you buy Avex from Binance or any other exchange you are currently using, you must enter your exchange wallet. After entering to your exchange wallet, you can search for Avex. Probably you will be able to see it directly because you have already bought Avex. After finding it, just click on the withdraw button. Then click on your Metamask browser extension and copy your wallet address by clicking on your wallet name. After copying it, paste it to the address section. Then you need to choose the true network. The network which we are going to use is Avex C network. Don't click on the Avex network if you are sending it to the directly Metamask. Now it's all set, just click on maximum or set the amount of Avex you wanna send, then click on the withdraw button. You may be asked some verification codes which have been sent to you from email and SMS. When you complete those steps, your Avex will be in your Metamask wallet after a really short time. Now we have our Avex in our Metamask and it's time to buy AVA and stake them. We can buy AVA from Marker website, which is a really useful platform. Marker searches every possible decentralized exchange on Avalaunch network and finds the most profitable trade for us. You can click on the link below our video to enter this website. After entering to the Marker, we need to change the second currency to AVA. Click on the second currency and write to the search button AVA. Now you can see the AVA, click on it again and set it as the currency which you wanna buy. At the last part, we need to choose how much AVA we are going to buy. Let's say you have deposited 10 Avex to your Metamask wallet and you wanna buy 8 Avex worth of AVA. Just write 8 to the first section and the rest will be handled by Marker. You can see that Pangolin is the best platform to buy AVA right now. So we just click on the button which will say trade on Pangolin and allow the notification which will come from our Metamask wallet. When our transaction is done, we will have our AVA in our wallets. Now it's time to stake them. To stake our AVA, we need to come back to the Avalaunch website and click on the staking button which is at the top of our screen. After getting into the staking page, we need to enter the AVA amount we want to stake manually. Like I want to stake 10 AVA, I can write 10 right here. Or we can just click on the maximum button and stake all the AVAs in our wallet. After completing this step, just click on deposit AVA button and allow the notification coming from Metamask. When the transaction gets done, our AVA will be staked and we will be able to get our proportional allocation from the upcoming pre-sales. Don't freak out when you stake your AVA, guys, because when you stake your AVA, you will be able to see your AVAs here, but they will not be shown at your wallet. There is no problem. If you want to withdraw your AVAs, just come to the staking screen again. You can see withdraw AVA buttons. You can withdraw all of them by clicking to the maximum, or you can choose the amount that you wanna withdraw. For example, I have nearly 68 AVAs staked right here. I can withdraw 15 of them, and when I write here 15, I can click on withdraw AVA button and allow the notification. This way my 15 AVAs will come to my Metamask account and I can sell them just the same way as I showed you at the how to buy AVA part. The only difference will be the Avex will at the second section and our AVAs will be at the first section. We will enter our AVA amount and then click on the trade button. Our AVAs will be transferred to the Avex and we can send our Avex to our Binance account or any other exchange you are using currently. Then we can sell our Avexes and get our dollars back. Probably you are wondering how to send our Avex from Metamask to our Binance or any other exchange accounts. I will show you that, guys. When you click on the Metamask icon, just click on Avex, then click on send. When you click on send, you will paste your exchange address right here. Make sure it's AVEX wallet address. When you paste it, just click on send and everything will be done. Now it's time for the last part. Let's register to the Dexalot Presale. You need to click on the sales button, which is at the top of our screen. After clicking it, you will see the Dexalot Presale right here. Click on the Dexalot again. When you click on it, you will be able to see the details of the pre-sale right here. You can see the sale info. There's a vesting period, guys. Be careful about that. At the TGE, this means when the token gets listed on exchanges, 25% of your tokens will be given to you and you will be able to trade only the 25%. After 3 months, every week, there's nearly 2.1% of your tokens will be given to you. So this means every month it will be like 8%. You can see the TGE date. This means the listing date. It's the 26th February, 6 p.m. in the UTC. Don't forget, guys, it says 9 p.m. but it's my country's time. My country uses the UTC plus 3. So whatever your country uses, just remember it will be at the 6 p.m. UTC. If you just enter the Avalaunch's website, the hours will be shown to you correctly. And also let's look at project. We already looked at Dexalot. We looked at everything on their website, everything on their Twitter accounts. You will be able to see the token allocations here. This is the most important thing. There is only 12% going to the team. This is a really good number, guys. 50% of all the tokens will be distributed as rewards. This is a very good thing. Only 10.5% of them sold in the private sale. 4% of them will be added as the liquidity to the exchanges. 14% of the tokens will be distributed to the foundation of Dexalot. And only 2.5% of the Dexalot tokens will be sold at the Avalaunch pre-sale. Don't forget that, guys. And also check the token emissions. These numbers represents the number of the months after the pre-sale. TGE, it will be at the 26th February. And after 120 months, the tokens in the circulation will reach to the maximum, which is 100 million. After a year, it will be 20 million. Don't forget those numbers, guys. When you are making the fundamental analysis, these two parts are the most important things. Of course, you want to investigate the team. You can find everyone in the team right here, right in this document. These are their names, their photographs, and some information given about them. You can search their names at LinkedIn or Twitter or whatever website, whatever social media you are currently using. Searching the team is one of the most important things in the fundamental analysis, as you know, so don't forget to do this. And at the last part, we can see the partners of Dexalot. We can see the Avalaunch itself, we can see the Avalabs itself, there's Colony, there's Banky, those are other decentralized platforms operating on the Avalaunch network. There's capitals. Capitals are the most important thing. because it gives the needed money to the project and project can continue to develop itself. Those things are really important, guys. Now, to be able to buy a lot of tokens from this pre-sale, we need to register for this pre-sale. I will show you how to do it right now. You can see the register button right here. Click on that and read carefully everything you are told. There will be a 1 Avex worth of registration fee, guys, which will be refunded to you when you participate the pre-sale. If you don't buy your allocation from the pre-sale, your 1 Avex will not be refunded. Never forget that. And the second part is the cooldown period. After participating in a pre-sale, there will be a 15% unstaking fee for your AVAs for 15 days. Every day, 1% of them will be erased, and after 15 days, your unstaking fee will be 0. After understanding those, if you approve those conditions, click on the buttons below and proceed with registration. There is 2 different registration types, guys. One of them is a validator, the other of them is staking. We are registering as a stakers, never forget that. Validators might be described as Avalaunch networks miners. So there's a special amount of the Dexalot tokens will be sold to the validators. If you are not a validator, then you have to be registering from the staking part. Click on staking part, and as you can see, there's the notification from the Avalaunch. Approve this notification, and you can see that registration completed message came to me. This means my 1 Avex has been taken from my Metamask and gone to the Avalaunch app. We can see the dates right here. This is the validator round. After validator round finishes, there will be the staking round, and we will buy our allocations between the staking round and the sale end. So between these 2 periods, we will buy our allocation, we will buy our ALAT tokens. When we buy our ALAT tokens, our 1 Avex will come back to us. And also don't forget that we are paying with Avex when we are trying to buy ALAT tokens. So make sure you have some Avex in your Metamask wallet, and also you can add ALAT token to your Metamask account. When you click on add ALAT to the Metamask and approve this, you will be able to see the ALAT tokens which you have bought from Avalaunch when you buy them. This is it, guys. We have talked everything about Dexalot and Avalaunch. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next time.